Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Third Sora International Half Marathon arajar arpusau kanlong haga arpwetrik unailur arajar arpusau hasora yegni gijing yakop mare kabahap hapo gajing pajing kmi daga Athletics Federation of India and penlong daga Meghalaya Athletic Association Meghalaya State Olympic Association haringkat gajing kershan lang daga tanat yelek kai jong kesorkar jilla kikerdan yelek kai hagani gajing yakop kikintop ya ke 21K Elite Open khat prasnem shajrong but kumjuru ha ka 21K Open khat prasnem shajrong ka 10K Open saupo hadu sanpo snem ka 10K Open sanpo hadu unrupo snem but ka 5K Run for Fun na benta ki kintai bat shinrang kini ki jing yakop kan sedang na light so plia shajingking mau kodok bat ban penkut ha mau smai ha no sngi Falls viewpoint kajing penlut na benta kini kajing yakop kan long arklor lai lak tengka ban penkre yang ki khosnam na benta baro kinong jam.
We are here from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. We are happy to also have here with us our director, new director of sports, Mr. Diki Shira, and assistant director of sports, Waya Wanambi, and our finally El Pariat. General Secretary, MSOA, Association, who is coordinating all this work. As you are aware, we are thankful for your support. We are now into the third group of the area. We are very grateful to the government, the Department of Sports, for again supporting the initiative of the Meghalaya Athletic Association in collaboration with the MSOA for hosting the third Sora International Half Marathon. Other details Pani Patel will explain, and director and assistant director also will come in. So a few of the points here is, the venue is the same, almost the same. The starting point, finishing point, so the same 21 kilometers. The other pickup, Patel will give, the secretary. And the event date is on 21st September 2024 and the last day of entry is 10th September 2024. This is tentatively the route. As you can see, we'll share this detail with you later. This is the official logo of the event, the third Sora International Half Marathon. Almost the same logo. This is a poster which gives all the details. We are also having a special helpline.
We would like to express our thanks to Meghalaya State Olympic Association for inviting us to this press conference. Like previous years, like the previous 2 episodes, this time also we will be fully involved and assisting both the Meghalaya State Olympic Association and the Meghalaya State Athletics Association in organizing this third Sora International Half Marathon successfully. We have already earmarked some funds, an amount of 2,03,50,000 has been earmarked for organizing this third Sora International Half Marathon. Apart from that, we will be drawing all the officers from various districts to lead different committees in organizing this third Sora Marathon. We'll be involving all the clubs and all the athletes also in organizing this coming marathon. We'll be giving them trainings. At the same time, we'll be coordinating with all the line departments, district administration and other stakeholders. Already one meeting has been held in Sora with SU Civil and all the line departments of that area. In the days to come, we will convene more meetings with the district authorities and subdivision authorities, and we continue to coordinate with the organizing associations, Meghalaya State Olympic Association, Meghalaya State Athletic Association, to ensure that this third Sora International Half Marathon is a success. That's all from my side.
Not much changes. It's just that the prize money we have increased for the 21K elite open above 18 years from 1 lakh to 1 lakh 50 for the first prize. So the detailed price I will announce here, total price of 14 lakh 60,000. So this year with a lot of requests from the local runners especially, we have included one more age category, that is 40 to below 50 years. And also the 10K for the runners who are above 60 years. These are the requests from the local, but for the 21K and the 10K, all are open event. All outsiders from all over India and international can take part in this event. Only the 21K, which is the Meghalaya open, that only 20K is meant for Meghalaya. And it means also that Meghalaya also can participate in the open with the elite if we can do so. But no one can participate in two events. Regarding technical matters, all has been entrusted to the Athletic Federation. That will be done later at a later stage. So for this time we have for fun also, the same about 12 years also, and 10 years their parents are the company. That's really also, especially the runners from the Sora side, Sora, all those areas, because there's a request that they want to take part in this run. Last year we requested them, but this time they have requested us. I hope that this time the run will be, I think, not less than 5,000, only the runners.
Meghalaya State Olympic Association. My director sports, Sir T. Shiva and Fanny Faryal. And very importantly, the press who are here who played with us. Actually, it's it's an honor that you've been called here for the press conference for this Sora Marathon, and we're very thankful to all of you because it would have been for your support and coverage. This event would not have been successful right from the first time. So we look forward for your support again in the near future, especially for this upcoming third Sora International Half Marathon. Actually, all the, like Sir has already mentioned, that all the logistics will be prepared accordingly. We have done this in the past. We have some rules here and there, but we are making sure that everything is covered, and so that everything runs smoothly. Since international runners are coming, besides even the one national elite runners also are coming, so we expect and hope that we have the best of the best. In fact, this time, I think we are hoping in even tourism department to be part of this, program events that a lot of coverage and a lot of message can be given, to all parts of the country, so that Sora Cherpati being, a very well placed in a favorite tourist destination, so that people from all walks of life and from other parts of the country as well, to come and take part in these events.
No, I didn't see any. And we have seen the government also taking initiatives, I think, from time to time, and this government has been calling them for all kinds of and in fact, all the NGOs are supporting this program. In fact, I recall they are very, very happy that the road at Sora in the last marathon was completed. Whatever stretch which was not was completed because of the marathon. So these are positive impacting the community in Sora and state as a whole. And I'm sure all the stakeholders, the villagers, the NGOs will be happy to support this program. We are right now, Secretary Faryal is getting so many calls. People are saying, when are you? Because earlier we announced the date as 14, then after discussion now we have extended it to 21st. So this is the final date, and this will give us a lot of positive we are getting a lot of positive vibes, all over the country, internationally. In fact, we've got some expression of interest from Japan also. They want to participate, right? Japanese citizens who are already in India, they also want to come and join. They are eagerly waiting for the details of the type of run. So we have those two categories, which is 21K and 10K. So to answer your question, this will add a lot of positive vibes for the state.
Protect numbers. ये कहाँ है, ये चित्रकूट कहाँ है, ये सोरा.
So it is an indicator that this marathon is also promoting tourism in other words.
Open. For the rest is 200. For the run of fun, there is no free. As usual, free t-shirt will be given, bibs will be given for this competition. This will be attached with the chip and all. That will be done 2 days before the start of the event. Website is there. All the thing is online except the run for fun is both online and offline. One will be held in Saura, the same shop near the petrol pump, and every single place for offline. Because sometimes people doesn't know how to do this internet thing, so we allow them to do offline.